Welcome back. In this video I'll be changing the color of the subwoofer cone from silver to matte black using PlastiDip. The range of PlastiDip products is available from AUTOSTYLE in Mayfair. I'll place a link to their website in the description to this video. So this is the original cone of the subwoofer, and as I had a bit of leftover PlastiDip laying around, I decided to change the color of the cone. I'm sure it's not going to change the performance of the subwoofer to any degree, as it's not really a very expensive subwoofer to start with. I first took some very thin masking tape and cut them into small strips and started layering them around the edge of the silver area of the cone. For the center of the cone and to cover the logo, I just cut out a piece of paper and stuck that down, and then took the masking tape and layering in the same fashion as the outside. I covered the entire black area of the inside of the cone. To finish off the masking, I took squares of paper and masked them into place all around the outside of the cone. Then I just bent them over and stuck them to the underside of the speaker. Here you can see the first layer of PlastiDip I sprayed. Thereafter, what I did was I sprayed a couple of layers on the inner side of the cone, not touching the out edge and the inner circle. When that dried, I then went and I applied quite a thickish coat on the edges, top and the bottom of the outside and the inside of the cone. I gave that about 5 to 10 minutes and applied a second and a third coat, so I kept it damp. So when I removed the masking tape, it gave me a nice clean edge, because once the PlastiDip dries, it's going to tear and it won't give you a sharp edge. There are quite a couple of videos on YouTube showing you exactly how to do this. Just search for PlastiDip pinstriping. You'll see how they apply the PlastiDip, keep it wet, and then remove the tape to get a sharp edge. And here's the before and after. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.